Ready to build a massive online hub for your fans, followers, or shared interests on Viber? Learn how to create a Viber community and unlock features like unlimited members, hidden numbers, and powerful admin controls. Creating a Viber community is ideal for fostering large-scale discussions, sharing content with a broad audience, and managing a space where members' privacy is paramount. So, what you want to do is, from the Viber app, tap on the floating message box by the bottom right corner. There, just below the search bar, you should be able to find an option labeled New Group or Community. Tap on that option. Then, select a couple of people you want to add initially. After you're done, tap on the arrow by the bottom right corner. Next, you'll have to select Community instead of Group Chat. You can now give it a name and a brief description if you want to, along with cover image. Tap on the arrow by the top right once you're done. And just like that, you will have created a community. Do note that the people you selected earlier need to first accept your invitation to join before they're a part of the community. But that's more or less it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!